Okay, guys, here we are. Here we are, back again, back again, back again, back again, back again to another edition of Crypto News. Interesting news today. As I said, there's a lot of revolutions today. There's supposed to be a lot of revolutions. So let's see if it's happened or not. And you guys know that, yeah, the big news is the unlocking, right? Yeah, grayscale unlocking, grayscale unlocking. What is happening? There was a dump. You guys want to know what's happening, right? What in the world is happening with this dump this morning? What in the world happened? So let's take a look at the charts first and then take a look at the news, and then let's see if we can figure this out. It's very important now. So let us go here. Oh, there it is. Where's my Brave? Okay, you guys see my Brave browser, right? So what is happening again? We had a dump this morning. Look at that. We are stuck in the range again, but we managed to go and challenge again, right? 31 something. What was this? 31.5. Okay, 31.5, challenging 31.5. It's still in the range, doing its boring thing. Now, why was this? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Type it down, guys. Type it down. Why did this happen? Because we got to know what in the world is happening if we want to move forward, right? Then only we know. But it's stuck in this range, which I don't think is good. Furthermore, it's at the bottom of the range. GBTC unlocking. So Henry says GBTC unlocking. Okay, what else? What are you guys saying? What are you guys doing? We're going to look at the charts afterwards. What do the rest of the guys say? Is it GBTC unlocking? Type it down on YouTube, guys. Type it down on YouTube. It's Revolution Day. Yeah, it's kind of Revolution Day, okay? Reboot, Revolution, SF Lee. Is it GBTC unlocking? Let us see, and I'll tell you what it is. Okay, let us see. Let's see the schedule of GBTC unlocking. I know you guys have been waiting for this. It actually starts yesterday, right? Small one. This is the big one coming on the 18th. And we'll see some opinions from people, what this is all about. And you saw we got freaked out when? We got freaked out on 19th May, right? Look at that. That was a big one. So look at all the unlocks resulting in the crash. What happened? There was another one in June. Oh, it crashed again, or it went down below 30K, right? Look at that. Look at that. So there is a correlation. But what about this? Well, here's the deal. I don't think that was caused by the GBTC unlocking. No. Not that one, okay? I think things are kinder to us. This was actually caused, you guys have Forex Factory. You guys should open something in Forex Factory. This is bigger. Here it is. I'm going to show you this. Forex Factory. That was not caused by that. Hey, give me yesterday. Guys, that was caused by this. That was not caused by that. That was caused by the consumer price index in the US, which is the highest figure since 2008. Now, to understand this, I want you to understand what's going on. That's why I said, don't just assume GBTC unlocking this weekend is going to be GBTC unlocking. So it's going to be very interesting, right? So this is because of inflation. So what's happening now? Well, the idea is that since the crash of last year, since COVID, US has been printing a lot of money, right? They printed more money than they did last year since what, 107 years? So when they print more money, guess what? It's always Bitcoin positive. Now, who can tell me when was the last time they printed a lot of money? Type it down, guys. When was the last time the US printed a lot of money? Yes, SF Lee says inflation. I'm going to tell you the impact of inflation after, so you don't make this mistake. Understand what's going on, right? Understand what's going on. When was the last time they printed a lot of money? Who knows? Can you see? You guys can see my thing, right? You guys can see my picture here. When was the last time they printed a lot of money? This quantitative easing, QE. Let me tell you, it was 2008. That was the financial crisis then, right? They printed a lot of money here. What happened here? Was Bitcoin involved? Yes, Bitcoin was born. Guys, get it? Bitcoin was born here. Done. And then another one last year. Of course, this is bigger than this. I think this goes off the charts, okay? So just printing a lot of money. So here's the deal. Printing money is good for Bitcoin because there's a lot of free money. When there's a lot of free money, a lot of it goes to the markets. You saw how the S&P recovered, right? And we had this mega bull run until last year, right? Then there's a lot of free money. It's good for digital assets. So with Bitcoin and crypto is part of this digital asset space, and all these stonks, especially these meme stonks. Now, when they stop because of inflation, because if there is inflation, what do you have to do? You have to increase your interest rate, right? So no more free money. Taper. You got to taper it down. You got to taper is the process of bringing that printing of money down. It's reducing buying of all these assets, right? This is called taper. That's why there's something called a taper tantrum. I don't think we'll have a taper tantrum. The US is controlling this. So when this happens, guess what? I hope we don't have a tantrum. Guess what? Then it's not good for Bitcoin, and it's not good for digital assets also. Can somebody tell me, since you guys are Forex people, and if you are a crypto person, hey guys, you got to be looking at this also. What happened this morning? Guys? There was a big announcement by a bank this morning. No, it's not a... It's kind of like a bank down under, right? But it's way. Hey, is New Zealand down under than Australia? I'm not sure that Tasman Sea. Okay, I'm not sure the Tasman Sea, but New Zealand announced what? No more quantitative easing. That is like ending the free money in New Zealand, right? Let's go, New Zealand. No, we don't have time to do that. Okay, that ends the free money in New Zealand. So when you have another major bank do this, it is a problem. It does impact things. So you understand what's going on, right? It is because of this inflation news. Yeah, not that inflation, the CPI news, and then the news by the RBNZ this morning that has thrown a spanner in the works, right? No more tapering. So if this were the US, so, we support Chairman Powell, right? We want more free money from Chairman Powell. We would not be in a good shape, but it's from New Zealand, that's okay. It is from New Zealand. So that's kind of okay. We're kind of back up here, right? But now we have to face, going into the weekend, the GBTC unlock. What's up with the GBTC unlock? Are we going to have a major revolution there? I don't know, but let's see what's going on. What do the other people say? Okay, let's take a look now. SBF Alameda, Sam Beckman-Fried. What is going on here? Now, this is something that you guys also need to understand. So this is SBF Alameda. Do we have someone here? What is happening here? Let's see here. So this is about, you can go and look at his. Now, I'm trying to find that thing. Where is this? Not here. Did I have it here or not? Did I have it here? Twitter.com. Okay, this is something on Crypto. Yeah, Cryptonite is good, but I don't see it here. I don't see it here again, but I'm sure I had it here. Okay, now here it is. Now, Sam Beckman-Fried does not think that this will have an impact. I'll tell you why, but you guys have to decide. Okay, look at that. That is the biggest unlock. This is what happened because Sam Beckman-Fried, can we find his tweet here where he said about that GBTC unlock? No, we don't have it here. Can we have SBF Alameda and let us see? And can we go and find this like GBTC because of the ARPS play? Okay, and then I'll tell you what it's all about so that you guys understand. Okay, look, so here it is. GBTC creators are doing ARPS. Most people getting long are buying in the markets. The unlock problem doesn't really matter for BTC. If people sell GBTC, most will buy BTC against it. Now, this is quite advanced. So let's go through this quite slowly because you really need to understand this. Now, here's the deal. Say you bought say GBTC is a share, right? It's not actually Bitcoin. So this is how you would do things. In fact, this is a good strategy in the bear market. So let's pretend we're in a bear market, right? Let's pretend that you guys bought GBTC. You guys bought GBTC and it suddenly went down, okay? You guys bought GBTC here, it suddenly went down while BTC went up. That means GBTC is operating at a loss, okay? Versus the actual asset, which is BTC, which is up. What do you do, guys? What are you going to do? And I explain what they're saying. What are you going to do if this happened? Okay, I mean, let's just say you guys started with something like, you guys started at 20K, right? You guys started at 20K, and because GBTC lost the premium, when BTC is at 65K, GBTC is not 65K, guys. GBTC will be at what? GBTC will be at 40% less. What's 40% of that? 40K? Is it 40K? Yeah, it's 40K. So what do you do now? GBTC. What are you going to do now? Okay? What are you going to do now? Well, here's what you are going to do. No, you buy. You buy this. You buy this. You buy this, and then you sell this, right? Because this is already at a, this is at a discount. Remember, this is at a discount. So you kind of want to buy this and then you sell this. Now, here's what happens. Here's what happens. Eventually, you and I know they will converge. This is like a futures and spot game, right? So if this goes down, group, this is also go down, but it goes down by less. So you kind of make free money. You got that? You kind of make free money here. Now, what they are saying is this. If this game is still on, if this game is still on, guess what? Then you would see BTC being dumped. Can you see that? That means I still see this GBTC at a discount. It's so discount, it's so compelling. I'm just going to buy it. I'm just going to buy it. But I have to hedge that against something. I will short my Bitcoin, right? But now, I want to, now here's the other situation. Now, here's the other situation. What if the guys who bought GBTC last time and they also shorted BTC last time, what will happen now if they're still in the trade? I'm assuming they're not outside of the trade yet. How do you flip this trade, guys? How do you flip this trade? How do you close this trade? How are you going to close this trade? Can you tell me? Can you tell me how are you going to close this trade? Is that you? You? Is that you? Yeah. Is that you? Is that you, SF Lee? Did you say this? How are you going to close this trade? You're right. You are going to sell this. Nope, you bought. Remember, you bought. You're going to close it down, right? You bought it. You sell this. And then how do you close your short BTC? You buy BTC. So that is what's happening in the report. I know you see two things. If this happens, Bitcoin is going to shoot higher. You see that? So let's see what happens on the 18th. All we know is this. All we know is this, okay? If this does happen, if they're still in the position, because they got free money. So if they're still there, that's what they do. All we know is this, is that during the last unlocks, which is here, the market did go down. This was the crash of May 19th, right? Was it? Let's go here. Let's go to a bigger picture here. You guys can see, right? This was the crash of May 19th. Yeah, I put it there, right? There was a crash here. You guys remember that, right? May 19th. Ooh, May 19th. May 19th was a crash somewhere at 26th of May. Yeah, here. Look at that. And then here was what? When BTC below 30K again. So let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. We don't know. This is very, very interesting for me. Let's see what happens on the GBTC unlocking. So other news that's happening. Paraguay, what is Paraguay doing? This is even more interesting for you guys. Proposed Bitcoin law includes crypto registration now. Hear me, hear me, hear me. No matter what country you are in, because this involves you. So we'll see what it says. So Decrypt said they have seen the draft. Look at this. They really want to make this legal. Look, regulate crypto mining, yes, because Paraguay has very cheap electricity. This dam with Brazil, right? Register as obligated subjects, but this is not going to be legal tender like the US dollar. So it's not going to be give that. Look, it gives traceability. They can register their product. I kind of like this because this is for business. Say I do business in crypto, right? How do you account for the fluctuation? Good. This is going to be addressed in Paraguay. I kind of love it, and this is why I love it. Okay, they can bring their dividends and crypto profits in the domestic banks. That's cool, because a lot of people, you guys are having problems with Binance, right? We have so much problems with Binance, but I want you to see something that is very, very important here. Help to optimize. Oh, this is it. I found it. I found it, guys. Be careful. Which is why I say crypto is not going to die. Guys, governments are not going to give crypto. Why? They want your money. Look at that. Traceability of what is produced in the country. Why? Optimize the tax collection. Oh, we just love our governments, right? Optimize the tax collection. So this is the reason why I am going to tell you that crypto ain't gonna die. It's gonna go on and on and on under different things. The technology is gonna get better and better and better. Now let me tell you that crypto technology, and I'm going to show you something, and we're going to go through this next Wednesday. Not today, next Wednesday. Crypto technology does not equate with crypto price, okay? But you guys know this, right? Business, am I saying right that business, if a company is making money, most of the time would equate with stock price? Do you agree? Won't you be nice? Okay, do you agree with that, right? That kind of makes sense, right? But crypto tech, I didn't know even the crypto is making money. There's not a lot of proof. There's not a lot of history. So how would you guys like it? And you guys are going to join me next week on Wednesday next week. Not this week, Wednesday next week, okay? Wednesday next week, because yeah, we're going to talk about IDOs early next week, and then we're going to talk about something else which is related to this, okay? IDOs on Monday, and then we're going to talk about something else. How would you like this? This is make it easier for you guys. I know you guys want easy thing, right? Won't you guys like that? If it makes money, naturally it can go up, right? Well, let me show you something. You guys are missing it. You guys are missing because you guys are only looking at crypto. But look at the derivative of crypto, which is crypto tech. And you guys are not looking at this. This is NFTs. I want to show you something. XC Infinity. Now, I've shown you before that this is an application that's actually making money, right? Because it has actual sales. It's now like numero uno. Look at that price. Can you see that? Look at that price. So now investing would become easier, right? This was speculation. Then it went down. Now it's back to its all-time high. It seems to be on a bull run because this is producing real money, correct? This is producing real money. The next one that's also producing real money is Flow, correct? Flow. Now look, just that one fine day, they guys decided, hey, these guys are producing real money. This is NBA Top Shots. This is XC Infinity, the game. Hey, guess what? It has suddenly rebounded again. Look at that. It actually went above this downtrend line, now ready to go up. So that's what I want to tell you. And that's why I've been saying, am I concerned about a bear market? No, because suddenly for the first time in my life, your life too, unless you have many lives, I can look at crypto just like a traditional business, correct? You make money, I invest in you. Or Malaysians, I invest in you lah. You don't make money, I don't invest in you lah. I invest in something else. Do you understand that? Not financial advice, but it makes sense, right? You start investing in things that kind of want to make money. Doesn't that make sense? I don't know, it makes sense to me. But the best thing about this, it also has crypto mooning capabilities, right? Henry, crypto mooning capabilities, which is more mooning capabilities than your meme stocks. Now let's look at the other news. Look, of course, today is a very sad day. There is not going to be a revolution because our favorite crypto, Ethereum, cancels. There's no hard fork today. Okay, the hard fork is on 4th of August. So look at that. Look at this. Look, SBF, I saw you. FTX made one day by Goldman Sachs and CME. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thales. Hey, Thales is a security company, right? Because I was working for a security contractor. I'm surprised. 2.5 million for binary options. Okay. Bit mining is moving out of China. That's good. They're going to the good old US of A's like Texas and what's the other place? You guys know Maryland. Yeah, Maryland is like south of Washington. Is it Johns Hopkins? Okay. And look at that. Shiba Inu, sheep. Guys, this is so speculative. But as I've told you, right, DeFi is so hot. And if you don't believe this, look at it. Shiba Inu swap has 1 billion. In fact, it's already over 2 billion, I think. I just read somewhere that it's already over 2 billion, right? 2 billion after the launch. This is crazy, guys. I mean, that is, what is that? That's just, that's totally crazy. Uniswap launches optimistic Ethereum. Finally, optimistic is there. Uniswap says that one day they're working to bring the transactions down to zero. What will that do for crypto? What will that do for Ethereum? What will that do for NFTs? A lot, okay? A lot, okay? So look at this. China, Subdan, yeah. They're already running to the US. I'm not worried about that, okay? I'm not worried about that. There's a lot of scams, guys. Be careful. Let's look at the other, you know who the muse is. It says even nifty news. But now, I just like to tell you that the world of NFTs is different. And next week, if you join, yeah, ETH layer 2 is one that speeds it up. SF Lee, that is optimism. And another one is called, what is the other one? Oh man, I forgot. You guys remember the other one? One is optimism, which is optimistic. And the other, I forgot the other one. Another example is Polygon. So those are layer 2, right? So that's kind of cool. ETH is not going to be that fast, okay? ETH is not going to be that fast, and this will take another 2 years. So there is things there, okay? There are things there that will make this bullish in the future. Arbitrum, guys, okay, I remembered it. SF. Okay, so the speed ones are going to be this, right? One is Optimism, which is good. They're working with Uniswap, and the other one is Arbitrum. Yeah, Arbitrum. Arbitrum is from which university, guys? Arbitrum is in which university? Is from which university, which is contributing the most to crypto? Come on, guys, you know, type it down. This is about what? This is about Link. This is about AVAX. Which university is this? You guys know, right? Arbitrum is from my alma mater, Cornell. I just had to stick that in, okay? I kind of have to stick that in. But look at this. Bitcoin dips below as Fed rate hike bet. So I kind of like this, because if we're going to have risk due to the GBTC, I would like it to also be risked on the S&P 500, you know, so we both go down together, you know, because as I said, the problem is Bitcoin goes, because if Bitcoin goes down and S&P goes up, I think we miss an opportunity, because if S&P tanks, I think Bitcoin will also tank with it. So this is good. But look at this. Dow Jones launches 5 more crypto indices. Now, guys, if Bitcoin is going away and cryptos are going away, no, they won't launch crypto indices. They won't launch something that this, right? They won't launch something that tracks 240 cryptos. Who are these? You see, you need to know. If this is a bullish, I can tell you, those in the 240 cryptos will be there. Layer 2 solution, yeah. So this is what causes people a problem. Okay, see, people ask, hey, if guys, Bitcoin is not fiat, Bitcoin is anti-fiat, right? So here's the deal. See, what is confounding people is this. If your money through fiat is going to be devalued, right? You want anti-fiat like Bitcoin, because this is fixed supply. And I think, or did I show you this already? I think this is what's happening to Turkey, right? Countries like which one, guys? I hope, is any one of you guys from Turkey? Turkey, they kind of like Bitcoin. They love Bitcoin, guys. What else? You guys know the other one. Argentina. Yes, the South American champions, Argentina. And Lionel Messi is not earning Argentina pesos. He's earning euros. Okay, he's earning euros. So I don't understand it. I don't understand it. If there's inflation, I would want to be in cryptos. But maybe this is telling me something. They're telling me, hey, can you buy a crypto that makes money? Okay, I should be looking at XC Infinity, right? I should be looking at XC Infinity and Flow and all that, okay? So again, the Visa approves Australian startup. That's fine. So Brian Brooks is, of course, global regulatory warning. So this is what's happening now. If you are in certain countries in the West, it's kind of hard to move money into Binance. Okay, there's a lot of things that they don't. Yeah, see that again? Binance suspects sterling withdrawals again. It's not easy to convert that money into fiat. So I don't know about you guys. I think Singapore is easy. Malaysia is still easy. Okay, Malaysia is still easy. So what is that? Crypto compliance that is happening. What else do we have? Yeah. Oh, anticipated GBTC conversion. That means BNY Mellon wants to store GBTC here. Okay, GBTC is a stock. It can be converted back into Bitcoin. So that's the news for today. Now, what we have on next week is very interesting because on Monday we'll go on IDOs. Okay, we'll go on IDOs, and then on Wednesday we'll go on how to do swaps for business. Swaps for business. How to use your crypto when running a business. And you will see nothing that you've never seen before. How many of you guys are doing business now? I will show you why. If you are earning, how much are you earning business? Let's say you're earning 100,000 ringgit, 100,000 US dollars, 100,000 Sing dollars, it doesn't matter. If you're using business without doing anything more, you could be earning 5 times of this, 5 to 6. I think that was the general standard then, okay? You could be earning this. You get what I mean? If you're doing business. And now cryptocurrency makes it easy. So again, let's use this bear market to learn about things other than crypto. So our strategies are more diversified. Get what I mean? And one of the diversified strategies is going to be NFTs. But the next one is this. You guys don't know this trick. Now, I've been here. I've evaluated companies for startup, how to invest. And let me tell you that on Wednesday, you will also see the first things of this. So if you're a businessman, don't miss it. On Monday, we'll learn how to multiply money. You guys like how to make your money go 10 times, right? So next week is a very exciting week. In the meantime, what do you do, guys? Hold the line. Hold the line. Hold the line. Let's see how the GBTC unlocks are. If you are nervous, as I've said it many, many times, and I'm doing this also, no shame in this, okay? The only shame, you don't do nothing. Convert some that you're nervous with to USDC or BUSD or USDT or USD or whatever, and watch the storm. It's landing. The eye of the storm is landing on the 18th. Hold the line. And diamond hands, I will see you on Monday. Apes together strong. Apes together strong. See you guys. Bye.